You know, there's a guy with tactical camera.
Oh, no, no, no.
Kind of, yeah.
It's a kraken, but I'm not doing the squid beats that my horror.
Watch the next Star Wars movie. It might give you some ideas.
So I'm gonna guess meatballs
Are you interested in meatballs?
Look how big this fish is.
Yeah.
That's neat.
I'll just experiment.
I like the little.
Right.
Yeah.
That's cool.
This is like one of those thumbnails, you know, when they have like, the fish on the picture and then
Yeah.
the video is way smaller than the
Ты
thumbnail.
охотишься?
They just invested
Балбесина.
Channels on YouTube about like confronting Karens now. Have you noticed that? Am I the only one I watch? Yeah, it's always like
I don't watch it. I don't
unofficial
watch channels. So I don't watch
I've been on the
Oh. Terrified. Terrified of snakes. Yeah. But I'm not at all scared of snakes. A dead guardian.
Well, it could be that too.
He's just chopping up a dead
Motherfucker,
guardian.
what is it? Where the is it? I swear to God.
No, 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 no.
If you angle it like on a 45,
Or, I don't know, maybe even if you had like here a little bit, you have to like walk down there so you can see it. Maybe it's just like up the block. Is that Where's this go?
Yeah, I've laid everything, but I haven't actually done.
Hi! Hi!
kind of like.
Good morning! Hi!
Hey, I did an interior research. I'll take you to it. Come on.
Okay.
All right.
Let's see.
This thing's been waiting a while as well.
Is it the starving artist or what?
No, I didn't do that.
Yeah, you had an idea.
But I wanted to do my mining areas.
Obviously, it didn't go anywhere.
Back on vacation.
Okay, sorry.
What's that in the pot? Guys, there's the cake. It wasn't a lie. Ooh, that's another cool new painting.
I love the new painting.
That's a good one, yeah.
Yeah. Is this
Watch
somebody Interesting. I like that.
I wanted to have a guy painting. I don't know. He doesn't really.
Give him pants, Jim.
Well, he doesn't need pants from out here. Come look.
Okay.
This is,
Hi.
That is straight up theme park logic. If you can't
ما حدش واخد من الدنيا حاجة. أنت خدت حاجة من الدنيا حسيب؟ لا. طب خد. قلبك ده.
Yeah. That is straight up like
By the
it,
bed.
in Pirates of the
That is
Caribbean
creepy.
at Disneyland. The pirates on the ship that's attacking the fort. It's just the head or barely a torso. Like they don't have legs or arms or anything. Their heads just pop up.
Yeah, I want to do some jump scary stuff. Actually. That's my story time. You probably haven't.
Jump scares?
Yeah, but I haven't done it. Most recently, it doesn't happen much to explore yet, but I've actually given myself a portal, so if anybody wants to visit me, find